Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is the book tabled in the House. Sir, by Honorable Irrigation Minister Saab. Chief Minister Saab बोल रहे हैं कि he didn't expect from me कि I am wrong, he's saying. ठीक है, I don't mind, sir. Individuals are not important. State and the people are more important. I mean, hundreds and thousands like Akbar Owaisi can be sacrificed for the state, give their life for the people, and I have done it also. Sir, now, in this book, page number 32, sir, the Commission of Inquiry, if I am wrong, I may be corrected. Commission of Inquiry, government-wide GOMS number 6, dated 14/03/24, has appointed Honorable Justice Sri Pinaka Chandra Ghosh, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, to conduct an inquiry on certain allegations and irregularities and embezzlement of public fund by corrupt practices in construction of barrage at Madigada, Anaram, Sundila, Kaleshwaram project. The same was notified in Extraordinary Gazette on 14/3/2024. The term of references, Gazette dated 14/0/2024, listed below have been issued with the clear intent of identifying the various lacunas, deficiencies, wrongdoing, corrupt and malified practices, if any, and to identify the guilty parties and perpetrators who caused such huge loss to the public exchequer. To inquiry into the negligence, irregularities, lacuna in planning, designing and construction of Madigada, Anaram, Sundila barrage. To inquire into the manner of award of execution of contract, including but not limited to deviation in contract and following the strict financial disciplines of execution of such contracts. To inquire into negligence of lacuna in operation of maintenance of 3 barrages by agencies concerned in the department, thereby leading to major damages of structure. To inquire into quality control of monitoring aspect, negligence and other malpractice agency, contractors and department. To inquire, identify and fix up responsibilities for any authority official who's extended undue favors in agencies, contractors in term allowing unjustified EOTs, extension time, wrong completion of work certificate, premature release of bank guarantees and such other matter. The Commission shall fix responsibilities for the lapses as identified by it during its inquiry into the above matters and financial implications or lapses as identified any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. Now, sir, last point says any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. So, I just want to know, have you referred any other matter in the later date which I as a legislature is not aware? Is one question. Sir, second, I am once again reiterating my claim and saying that the Commission did not take into consideration the CAG report, Vigilance report, NDSA report and Expert Committee report. It clearly said in this report that it is not in its terms of references. And now, when we have to go, I have said about vigilance. Sir, I have said about the vigilance, sir. इसमें clear लिखा हुआ है, sir. In the above fact and circumstances, the Commission does not prefer to review the interim and final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take the appropriate steps. Then, it is there, the report of National Dam Security, sir. National Dam Security, sir, there also, on page number, again 662, sir. It is saying, sir, it is evident from the orders of this Commission referred to above, it is abundantly clear that the Commission has not directed or empowered the Expert Committee to take up or issue direction towards repair rectification barrage. Therefore, the government has reconstituted the Expert Committee containing the 4 experts in the field of reconstituting the Expert Committee, later filed its interim report. ये सब बोलते हुए सर फिर बोल रहे हैं सर लास्ट में नेक्स्ट पेज में 664. I fail to understand. In that they are saying the National Dam Safety Authority is an expert body and its final report is the outcome of technical study and examination. Commission does not, अब आप देखिए सर, the Commission does not wish to review the same. The government is at liberty to take steps to pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security as suggested by it in accordance with law. So मैं ये बोल रहा हूं सर,
अब जितना भी चर्चा करो स्पीकर साहब, अब जितना भी समय दो, मेरे कोई एतराज नहीं है. आपको चर्चा अगला दिन तक भी करना है, कल रात तक भी ऐसी चलाना है, आपकी मर्जी. आप यू आर एम्पावर टू run the house. आप अकबर साहब मेरा रिक्वेस्ट इतना है, अकबर साहब 3/4/2025 government has submitted vigilance and enforce report to the commission. हम लोग विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट, कैग रिपोर्ट हम लोग कमीशन को दे दिए. कमीशन ने वो रिपोर्ट को कैसे लिए, कैसे स्टडी किए, वो रिपोर्ट को कहां इस्तेमाल किए, कहां नहीं किए, हम उनको डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते. सरकार जिम्मेदारी से नेशनल डैम सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी जो इंटरिम रिपोर्ट, जो फाइनल रिपोर्ट सबमिट किए वो भी हम कमीशन को दिए. विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट एंड फाइनल रिपोर्ट दिए, वो भी हम कमीशन को दे दिए. कैग जो रिपोर्ट दिए वो भी हम कमीशन को दे दिए. मगर कमीशन ने वो रिपोर्ट को कैसे इस्तेमाल किए, कैसे नहीं किए, वो बात अलग है. अगर आप बोलो सरकार नहीं दिए बोल के मत बोलो सब. इसीलिए ये टेबल में रख के अगर जो कमीशन कुछ किए नहीं किए फर्दर क्या करना, इसीलिए आप इतना एक्सपर्ट है, इसीलिए आपको हम पूछे, हम जिम्मेदारी से आपसे सुझाव मांगे तो आप मुझे गाली दे रहे. मुझे क्यों सजेशन नहीं दे रहे साहब, आप गाली दे रहे. सजेशन दिए तो मैं इतना जल्दी रूम से क्यों भाग के आता हूं. इसीलिए यहां पर जो लैप्सेस है अकबर साहब, यहां पर जो लैप्सेस है, इसीलिए वी वांटेड टू टेक एक्शन फर्दर. यू सजेस्ट मी व्हाट यू वांट एग्जैक्टली, व्हाट इज योर सजेशन आउट ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस. Even NDSA report was given to Commissioner on 10th April 2025. We have given everything, बाबा. हम लोग झूठ बोलने का कोई नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोग खुद ने इंक्वायरी कमीशन डाला. हम रिपोर्ट क्यों नहीं देंगे आप बोलो. छुपाने का हमारे लिए क्या है. कमीशन को किसी ने गलत रास्ते से लेके जाने के लिए बहुत कोशिश किए. मुख्यमंत्री जी गया, पिछले मुख्यमंत्री इरिगेशन मिनिस्टर के. मैं आपको यहां पर एक बात मैं बोलना चाहता हूं कि ये लोग कैसे हैं, कैसे लोगों को गलत रास्ता में ले जाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं. मैं एक बोलता हूं अकबर साहब, जब इन लोगों का एलिगेशन क्या है, अभी जो कोर्ट को गया ना केसीआर साहब और हरीश राव साहब ने, हमको 8B and 8C స్పీకర్ సార్, కేసీఆర్ గారు హరీష్ రావు గారు అండర్ సెక్షన్ 8B 8Cలో మాకు నోటీస్ ఇవ్వలేదు, మాకు అవకాశం ఇవ్వలేదు, కాబట్టి ఈ మొత్తం రిపోర్ట్ చెల్లదని కోర్టుకు వెళ్ళారు. సేమ్ ఇదే చంద్రశేఖర్ రావు గారు గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ హ్యాస్ అపాయింటెడ్ వన్ మోర్ కమిషన్. Government of Telangana issued GOMS number 9, Energy, dated 14/3/2024, appointing Justice L. Narasimha Reddy, retired Chief Justice of Patna High Court, as Commission of Inquiry to inquire into the irregularities relating to procurement of power from Chhattisgarh by Telangana Discoms and construction of thermal power plants, Bhadradri at Manuguru and Yadadri. On 24th June 2024, K. Chandrasekhar Rao filed writ petition number 16588/2024 in the Honorable High Court for the State of Telangana. Respondents in the WP were the State of Telangana, the Commission of Inquiry, Justice L. Narasimha Reddy. What is their prayer? The issuance of letter dated 19/6/2024 directing the petitioners to appear before the second respondent to produce evidence against the witness, etc., by exercising power under section 8B and section 8C of the Act as arbitrary, illegal, ultra-virus, and also contrary to the provisions of the Act 1952. By a judgment and order dated 1st July 2024, the Honorable High Court was pleased to dismiss the writ petition. Filing agreed by the dismissal of the writ petition, filed SLP bearing number 14727 of 2024 before Honorable Supreme Court of India. Justice Narasimha Reddy communicated to the Supreme Court that he does not intend to continue as one-man commission of inquiry. ఈ రోజు ఈ కాళేశ్వరం ఎంక్వైరీ మీద పీసీ ఘోష్ మాకు అండర్ సెక్షన్ 8B 8C నోటీస్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి ఈ కమిషన్ రిపోర్ట్ చెల్లదని ఇప్పుడేసారు. ఇంతకంటే ముందు విద్యుత్ కొనుగోలు విద్యుత్ ఉత్పత్తి చేసే సంస్థల నిర్మాణానికి కమిషన్ వేస్తే 8B 8Cలో మాకు నోటీస్ ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇది చెల్లదని కోర్టుకు పోయిన అధ్యక్ష. జస్టిస్ ఎల్ నరసింహారెడ్డి తెలంగాణ సమాజంలో గొప్ప వ్యక్తి, నికార్సైన వ్యక్తి, తెలంగాణ బిడ్డ, తెలంగాణ హైకోర్టు జడ్జి గుండుకుంటూ తెలంగాణ ఉద్యమానికి ప్రత్యక్షంగా మద్దతు పలికి శ్రీకృష్ణ కమిషన్ ఇచ్చిన రిపోర్ట్లో సీక్రెట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ సెక్షన్ 8 కింద ఇస్తే ఆ రిపోర్ట్ను మొత్తం బయటపెట్టి తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం ఇవ్వాల్సిందని హైకోర్టు జడ్జిగా వాదించి తెలంగాణకు అనుకూలంగా నిలబడ్డ జస్టిస్ నరసింహారెడ్డిని ఒక తెలంగాణ వాదిని కమిషన్ ఎంక్వైరీ మీద వేస్తే అతను ఉండడానికి వీల్లేదు, అతను 8B 8C కింద నోటీస్ ఇస్తే ఇది చెల్లదు అని హైకోర్టుకు పోయినారు, కొట్టేసిను, సుప్రీంకోర్టుకు పోయినారు. అప్పుడు జస్టిస్ నరసింహారెడ్డి గారు నేను ఈ కమిషన్లో కొనసాగానని చెప్పి వారు ఈ కమిషన్ నుంచి తప్పుకున్నారు. ఈరోజు నేను తమ ద్వారా అడుగుతున్న అధ్యక్ష, 8B 8C ప్రకారం కమిషన్ నోటీస్ ఇస్తే అది చెల్లదని హైకోర్టుకు పోయినారు. ఇవాళ పీసీ ఘోష్ 8B 8Cలో మాకు నోటీస్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి ఈ రిపోర్ట్ చెల్లదని కోర్టుకు పోయినారు. ఏది చేసినా తప్పు అని తప్పు పట్టించి తప్పించుకోవాలని చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళ తరఫున ఎవరు వకాలతో పుచ్చుకున్నా ఈ తెలంగాణ సమాజానికి నష్టం జరుగుద్ది. అందుకే నేను ఈ ఫర్దర్ ఇంకా డీటెయిల్ డిస్కషన్ ఎంతసేపైనా డిస్కషన్ చేస్తా అధ్యక్ష. అక్బర్ గారికి ఎంత ఎనర్జీ ఉందో అంత లేకపోయినా కనీసం వారు అడిగిన ప్రశ్నలకు వారు లేవనెత్తిన సవాళ్లకు సమాధానం చెప్పే శక్తి అయితే నాకుంది అధ్యక్ష. मैं अकबर साहब को एक ही गुजारिश करना चाहता हूं, जितने भी सवाल उठाओ, मगर मेरा ऐसा ताकत है हर किसी को आप जवाब देने के लिए कोशिश करता हूं. अगर आपको पसंद है, पसंद नहीं है, आपको कैसे लेना है आपकी मर्जी. तो इसीलिए मैं आपको आउट ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस एज ए सीनियर मोस्ट लेजिस्लेटर यू सजेस्ट मी, ये सरकार के लिए कुछ सुझाव दो, कैसे आगे जाएंगे, ये कैसे इंक्वायरी डालेंगे, स्पेशल इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम डालना है, CBCID डालना है, नहीं तो ईडी इंक्वायरी डालना है, इनकम टैक्स को बोलना है, CBI को बोलना है, और कुछ आपके एक्सपीरियंस से, और कुछ हम सब हो गए, NDA से हो गए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट भी हो गए, काग रिपोर्ट हो गए, कमीशन इंक्वायरी भी रिपोर्ट दे दिए. अब आगे क्रिमिनल प्रोसिक्यूशन एंड रिकवरी के लिए वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए वे फॉरवर्ड. आप अगर मदद अगर देना है तो दो, नहीं भाई हम नहीं देते, अब जो करना है करो बोले तो कैसे भी सरकार करने के लिए आधी रात तक कुछ कम 12 बज रहे क्यों बैठे. आज फैसला करेंगे, बिना फैसला हम इधर से नहीं जाएंगे. स्पीकर साहब, फैसला करने के लिए फैसला मैं कर लिया, मैं फैसला करूंगा, किसी को छोड़ूंगा नहीं, मगर उसके लिए भी एक तरीका से अगर समुद्र में डालना है तो भी गिन के डालो बोल के बड़े लोग बोले. किसी को समुद्र पे आप कुछ चीजों को समुद्र में भी फेंकना है तो भी गिन के फेंको, कम से कम क्या कितना समुद्र में फेंक दिए, कितना हिसाब तो भी होना है. तो इसीलिए हम लोग ये चर्चा कर रहे, सबको पता लगना कैसे लूट लिए पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट को. ये पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट उनके लिए कितना महंगा. निजाम सरकार जितना अमीर थे दुनिया में, एक दिन दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा अमीर निजाम सरकार थे, अभी निजाम सरकार को भी पार करने के उससे बड़ा अमीर अदानी अंबानी से भी बड़ा अमीर बनने के लिए जो पिछले सरकार ने कोशिश किया वो उसको नाकामयाब होंगे, कामयाब नहीं होने देंगे स्पीकर सर. इसीलिए हम लोग यहां बैठे, हम फैसला करके यहां से हम निकलेंगे.
प्लीज 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 प्लीज, मैं अब चलते रहता.
Honorable Speaker, sir, in the heat of the moment, Honorable Chief Minister might have not understood what I was trying to say. Sir, I once again, I'm not saying, We are not saying that you haven't given anything. What I'm saying is that the commission did not review the CAG report, vigilance report, NSDA report, expert committee report, saying that it is not in their terms of reference. In spite of you giving it, they never reviewed it. In spite of you submitting it. And in this report, what you have submitted is not there. What I am saying is that these reports, I'm not saying that these reports were not shared. You shared. But they didn't study these reports. So now my suggestion is that, we can have some experts to see that this Ghosh report and the vigilance report and the COG report and the other reports can be incorporated together, and a strict action can be taken against all those corrupt people. Let it be big, let it be small, let it be chief minister, let it be any minister, ex-minister. This is what I'm saying. You have submitted it, but they haven't. They said that it is not in their purview. So isliye aur ek cheez, sir. Now that when you want us to give a suggestion, sir, I do not have the vigilance report. I have the CAG report. I don't have the expert committee report, nor I have the other report. Sir, I need the copy, then I can give you a suggestion. But only one thing I would say, state का पैसा है, गरीबों का पैसा है, वो पैसे को जिसने भी लूटा है, उसको सजा देनी चाहिए. चाहे वो लीडर कितना भी बड़ा क्यों ना होने दो, चाहे वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कितना बड़ा क्यों ना होने दो. ये लूटम लाठी की वजह से आज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स परेशान हैं, हमारे किसान परेशान हैं, आरोग्यश्री में बीमार जो बच्चे हैं वो लोग परेशान हैं. तो हमको इन लोगों की लूट जिन्होंने मचाई है सजा देनी चाहिए. दीजिए आप.